Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we're going to be talking about Ripple and XRP, as well as the vast majority of crypto and finance. And with that being said, I hope that you're all having a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are out there in the world. So recently I saw a post from Crypto Caesar 1, and if you guys have been watching my recent videos, then you know that I've been warning about alt season. And everyone is still on the fence on like where we are at currently within the cycle. I've been seeing a lot of caution over on X. I've been seeing a lot of narratives being pushed around on how that we're gonna miss this alt season. We're not gonna actually have a bull run. That Bitcoin's already topped out. That the market's done. Like this was the run up. And it's crazy to me that people are still thinking like that. But then you also have the other side of the crowd that is like, all right, well, alt season is coming. Bitcoin is about to surge and so forth. So let's actually talk about this. Let's address this. So there's a level on this chart mentioned. It's actually dotted, as you guys do see, going across. And this is at 57.25% to 58.20%. And this is the two levels that we tapped and actually bounced off of significantly going back to 2019 into 2020 and also 2020 into 2021. Now, if you look at the levels on the chart, we've already had two significant taps on that bottom level, which was the significant lows. This is typically when we start to see most altcoins topping out. And this is when we really start to see Bitcoin dominance ranging while it starts its upward move yet again. Now, the level on the chart, those 57.25% to 58.20% levels, that little range there is the level that we are watching for Bitcoin dominance to be hammered down into the death zone, that red zone on the bottom. And this is also right when the halving would happen, right? So this is April 15th, 2024, the week of at least, right? And this is something that I've been mentioning as well. If we actually go over to my profile, right? I put out a post recently regarding this, and this was the post, right? I said April 15th, week of, is decision time for Bitcoin dominance. And with everything aligning perfectly almost, you could clearly see alt season nearly here. And we have just a reminder that alt season hasn't started yet. There's actually still time to accumulate. You're technically still fairly early. However, once Bitcoin dominance starts to break down, it will happen extremely fast. And once this does happen, that's when altcoins really start to go crazy. Now, everyone is still on the fence with XRP. And what's crazy about this is look at the indicators. We just saw Jim Cramer saying coming in the most overbought we've been in a while. Better seller than buyer. I said indicators everywhere. This is a bullish indicator. They're all going, and like when we really look at what's happening right now around the indicators within this market, they are all flashing green, which means we are about to have a major run up in the market over the course of the next couple of weeks and even months. Again, lagging indicators, but XRP, I said indicators are everywhere. We are closing the gap, and soon all of this nonsense will be silenced. And this is Charles Gasperino, the biggest clown at Fox, putting out a post regarding XRP and the entire community. A reminder to the XRP community, so far 2 Fed judges, including the one considered the Dean of Corporate Law Judiciary, Rakoff, have scoffed at arguments using Judge Torres's Ripple rolling as precedent because the rolling itself is so incoherent. No one can guarantee the rolling gets thrown out and XRP being declared an unregistered security, but the signs are there that her legal analysis is faulty. And what's crazy about all of this, right, is this is such a nonsensical take on this entire process. And a few people, even from the XRP community, started to really kind of talk a little bit more about this. We even have here, Charles, you used to be a quality journalist in the XRP space. It seems some Twitter trolls got under your skin and has clouded your analysis. No legal analyst agrees with this nonsense take. Allow the market to play out before discrediting yourself further. And even down here, only a Supreme Court justice could overturn the Torres decision, not another federal judge from the same courts. I get you want to troll Charles Gasping for news that he has to make it up, But if this was true and you weren't making it up yourself to troll the XRP community, you would quote and name your sources. At the end of the day, the Torah's decision will be used when they write regulations for this digital asset industry. The crazy thing is how you abuse your platform to troll people you really are. So yeah, I mean, like when we really look at what's happening right now, it is ridiculous in terms of the FUD being pushed by individuals like Charles Gasperino. And what's crazy about all of this is, guess what? We just had this just a couple of days ago. XRP might make you poor, says Fox Business journalist. And this is coming from Charles Gasperino. He has cautioned XRP holders that controversial token is unlikely to make them rich. Again, everything is pinpointing at so much negativity, so much FUD circulating around XRP. And again, I'm not going to say, hey, it's like 2017 all over again. But I do think that we are getting very close to the point where everyone is getting shaken out. They're getting, fed up with XRP. They want out of XRP. And it's at a time where we are so damn close to the finish line. Remember the Forbes article that got posted recently as well, talking about how XRP is basically worthless. These are zombies in this market. This is all deceiving. Every single headline that we are now seeing, everything that is circulating around XRP is now deceiving. We have FUD coming from the inside of the community as well, from prominent names. It's so insane to me at this point that there's so much negativity and so much bad takes happening around XRP to the point where you don't know what is real and what isn't. And it's simply because everyone has their own idea, their own frustrations that they are putting out regarding XRP, and 99% of it is negative. Now, as we think about this, right, and as we really look at what's happening, even Bitcoin maxis have been nonstop talking about XRP and spreading FUD. Over here, they won't stop talking about XRP. 10 days ago, time to sell your XRP. 3 months ago, I think I might dump Bitcoin into XRP. Check this out.
It's time to sell your XRP. Get out of the way. Don't be a victim. And the charts indicate Ripple is about to explode.
And again, like these are people that have been around us essentially from day one to buy Bitcoin at $1, right? This is Da Vinci. Everyone knows the name. And what's funny about this, right, is they still don't realize that XRP is not Ripple and Ripple is not XRP. How can you be around for so long and still be oblivious? But also, they utilize XRP and the name XRP all the time to push nonsense and get clicks because they know how big the XRP community is. But they also spread FUD regarding it, and they can't stop talking about XRP. Bitcoin maxis can't stop talking about XRP. Now, when we think about all of this, right, what am I leaning towards? Well, it's funny, right? Credible Crypto put out a great post regarding all of this. There was a post that said XRP deserves to be permanently knocked out of the top 10 this year. It deserves what the market thinks it deserves, not what you or I think it deserves. The market has believed it deserves to be a top 10 coin in this space since its literal inception, and not even the SEC and their failed attack could derail that. And we also have Moon Lambo responding saying, 100% homie, this is exactly what I've been saying for the longest time. XRP haters can hate, but the market disagrees with them. XRP is one of the only 3 coins that has always been in the top 10 coins by market cap for its entire existence. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. And that's out of a total of 20,000 coins. Not to mention that XRP is the only coin with legal clarity. But also, on top of this, there's a post within this post, Inception, right? But we have longtime follower, first-time replier, and appreciator. I agree, and I have benefited massively from a lot of your advice. I agree with 99.9% of your work. One thing I can't get my head around and would love and share everyone else, higher time frame, does XRP hit $10 to $20? And we have, let me put it into a different perspective for you. Ethereum prior all-time high was around 5K. I think most agree Ethereum will break that high in the coming months. Do you think Ethereum could hit 10K? I sure do. In fact, I think it goes higher than that. A $10,000 Ethereum is equivalent to a $10 to $12 XRP in terms of market cap. Keep in mind, in the last cycle, XRP actually flipped Ethereum market cap for a period of time. So if you think 10K Ethereum is realistic / feasible, then you should also think that a $10+ XRP is realistic / feasible. But also, he responded back to this and said, I made a mistake here. I was looking at fully diluted valuation for XRP. Reality is at current circulating supply, a 10K Ethereum is equivalent to a $20 plus XRP. So if you think $10 is impossible for XRP, but 10K Ethereum is realistic for Ethereum, you need to check your bias real quick. Both are top 10 coins in the space, which means as much as you may not like XRP, the market clearly does. And this is something that I've constantly said over and over and over again. People can make jokes about XRP not performing, but tell me another altcoin that is in this space, that is in the top 10, went through a lawsuit for over 2+ years, worst sentiment in crypto history, and still remains in the top 10 since its inception. There is nothing like XRP out there. Again, people can laugh, people can joke, people can hate, but the market speaks for itself. And also, I do agree with Credible Crypto on this valuation for XRP. It could go, much higher than I anticipated. My range on it is $5 to $10 because I said that so many people are saying that it won't or it can't happen. And I included this tweet in a few videos already. I said, these are the same people cheering for Ethereum to hit 7,500 to 10,000 and also Bitcoin at 100 to 150,000. Think about this logically for a second. Even going off of the fully diluted market cap of XRP at $5 to $10, the market cap would be 500 billion to 1 trillion. And when we look at these other, predictions around Ethereum and Bitcoin, we're talking about massive price valuations in terms of market cap. 1.97 trillion to 2.9 trillion for Bitcoin, 900 billion to 1.2 trillion for Ethereum. So when we think about this, I don't think that it's that crazy to think that XRP could hit $5 to $10 this cycle. And again, I even said, in fact, I think that it's conservative because it could go much higher. It could go to $20, it could go to $30. Now again, is that asking for too much? Not exactly, because again, the market has spoken for itself. XRP is the only other altcoin to flip Ethereum. XRP is the only other altcoin that has been in the top 10 as long as it has, of course, outside of Bitcoin. And also XRP stays being relentless, even though the SEC tried, to drag it down. There's been so much FUD, so much hate. There's been so much negativity around the XRP community from the inside and even out. And it's just crazy to me that people cannot see past all the nonsense, see all of the flashing green bullish indicators that are telling us, hey, guess what? Outside of all this negativity, take a step back and look at how bad the sentiment is around XRP at a time where everyone should be focused on how big XRP could be this cycle. Hate on it or not, it doesn't matter. I will continue talking about XRP because it is one of those altcoins that I do think will be in the top 10 for the next couple, decades. Honestly, if we think about crypto, it's going to be around for the next 50 to 100 years plus. And if we think about XRP, I think that it has a very, very good chance at being a dominant force, even once regulations are here and once utility really takes over. I do think that XRP will shine even brighter than ever before and really kind of just overtake this market. And it's one of those altcoins that I've been really talking about for a very long time. Obviously, Q1T is definitely up there. HBAR is up there. XDC, XLM, Casper, you name it. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord in the description below. And with that being said, guys, this has been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.